All right, today we're gonna bring a set of teas, and I got a cold, so I'm not. And then I don't want too much caffeine, so that's why I end up getting this K cups right here because they have less caffeine. And of course, I'm gonna go for the Jasmine green tea because green tea is pretty good for like calming, soothing. It's for cold, so sorry. We're gonna go ahead and get this going, but today we're gonna go the Jasmine green tea. Put it in there, push it in, and just sit back and relax. Now we're gonna taste it without any lemon or any honey, which I like. We're gonna try it out straight out of it, let it cool off, maybe get a little scoop, spoon, try to taste it first before we add our ingredients I like to add to my tea. All right. Yep, I can smell it. Now this is perfect. This is without the bag, without the hassle of getting all that stuff ready. You just put it in the K-cup, ready to go, and enjoy it. All right, the color is on the money, if you guys can see it. Let's do a taste test. I still have my taste buds, so let's try that. I'm gonna put my spoon there so you guys can see. All right, so let's try this taste test. Yeah, I like it. It's a little strong. I could taste it, but that's a good thing, you know. I'd rather have it a little stronger than less of it because some people get cheated out of it, but it's not bad. I mean, very good. So we're just gonna add our own lemon, a little honey, and we should be good. So if you guys are looking for something simplicity to make your tea, K-cups is the way. I hope you guys enjoy the video.